How to fix ChatGPT Conversation 66e5ac86-e820-800f-8747-024d617acf36 not found. It looks like you're trying to access a specific conversation, but it seems to be unavailable. This could happen for a few reasons. 1. Session expiry. Conversations might expire after a certain period of inactivity. 2. Account issues. There might be issues with your account or permissions. 3. Technical glitch. Sometimes, technical issues can cause conversations to be inaccessible. You can try the following steps. To resolve the issue. 1. Refresh the page. Sometimes, simply refreshing the page can help. 2. Check your account, ensure you're logged into the correct account. 3. Contact support. If the issue persists, reaching out to OpenA's support team might be the best option.